Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video we have a special unboxing from one of the greatest designers in the world, and his name is Traiphum. Now this is a 551 and I cannot wait to open it. So let's run the intro. Okay, let's start this unboxing. You know, the attention to detail even for the package is really amazing. Sorry, I'm gonna cut this string. It's really lovely, but let's get on with that. Let's put this aside. I hope not cutting the puzzle. Let's get into Alright, look at this puzzle. The attention to details is really amazing. The back, and let's have a look at this beauty. Now let's check it out, the roundness of the puzzle. You can see that it's really even in all the corners. You can still see that the roundness. You can still see the roundness, and it's even in both sides. So this is a great job. Now let's be cheeky and check the inside. Look at this piece. The work within the piece is amazing. Really thin. You can see, as I said before, in Gary's puzzle, you can see the work of the designer checking the pieces in between, how they work. There's gonna be a certain point that you can cut the piece, but no more than that. Lovely work. You gotta work in a precise way this area. Not much in here because it's basically the mechanism, but in here, in between pieces, you can see how flat is that. So let me build this back again, and let's see if we can scramble that puzzle. Alright, it's time now for some scrambling, and let's check it out how it works. If I keep moving around, pretty much I can guarantee you can sort out the puzzle. Look at this pattern. Beautiful pattern. Look at this other pattern. Beautiful. I'm just doing patterns right now. And I can have this other pattern. And that way. So basically this puzzle is pretty much simple and easy to practice cuboid algorithms. Now the only tricky part is try to match out these pieces. You know, it doesn't matter the position itself as long as it's white. The other thing is that these pieces move between these corners. You can cycle them, and then you have to cycle these two and these two, and of course this one and this one. I have to match. I have to find out the sequence, but yeah, pretty much is that way. So if I said that the only thing is I need to cycle between these two pieces. So it's pretty much that game, cycling between that and that. It's a pretty much simple concept, but at the same time help you out to practice practice cuboid algorithms. Thank you so much, Traiphum. I really appreciate this puzzle. For me, you are one of the greatest designers in the world. I'm going to make some savings to have another of his puzzles. He's a true designer. Thank you very much, guys. We just surpassed that 250 subscribers. We actually 260, and we really appreciate your time watching our silly and beautiful videos. Don't forget to subscribe. Give us a thumbs up. Don't forget the bell notification so you will know when we are going to post the next video. Our social media is here. And don't forget to solve a puzzle. It's really good for your mind. And see you in the next video. Bye.